Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. Today we are looking at my Vegancuts box, both the beauty and the snack box, because Austin's not home. So that means I can actually show you the snacks, because he always gets to them first. But as I did mention in a comment in my last Vegancuts beauty subscription video, I don't know exactly what month it's going to land, but I did cancel my Vegancuts beauty subscription after my 6-month subscription runs out. So I don't know what month that'll end up being, but at some point we will not have that anymore on the channel, just because I've been feeling like it's kind of blah, like it hasn't been that exciting. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the snacks first, and then we'll take a look at what came in the beauty subscription. Now, last time I shared this, I was missing the cards for some reason, but it looks like we have the cards this month. This box supports Rocky at Shy 36 Inc., Kansas Farm Sanctuary in Tonganoxie, Kansas. And same with this one, but this little critter's name is Hope. So here are our cute little critters on the cards. So the first thing in here is the Pipcorn heirloom popcorn in truffle. I actually love truffle popcorn. I have some of it downstairs that I kind of ate for lunch instead of eating real food. So I'm very excited to try this. I love truffle popcorn, and I know Austin won't want to try this because he hates the truffle smell. So I'm very excited about that. Next item is definitely going to be more for Austin. This is the organic chickpea snack Chickpeas in Nacho Vibes. I don't like these Chickpeas at all. I think they just disintegrate in your mouth. I know they're supposed to be crunchy and puffy, but I don't like them. I don't like that feel in my mouth. So this will definitely be an Austin snack. Next we have Fruit Bites Apple Crunchy Snack. I imagine we'll both end up trying this. Sounds interesting. Sounds like a good one to throw in your purse if you're doing a road trip or something. Next in here we have Grace's Goodness Organics plant-based sipping broth. Oh, vegetable and cumin turmeric. That's interesting. I've never gotten a powdered broth like this. Or have we gotten one before? I don't remember. But this is so interesting. I'm really excited to give that a try on a morning where I just feel like I need some soupiness. Very cool. This is definitely one I will use. Austin would never reach for this. Next we have, oh, I love when they send these, from the Bakery on Main. It's the Ancient Grain and Seed Superfood Strawberry Shortcake Instant Oatmeal. I love when they send these Bakery on Main kits or packets. It's always interesting. It's usually either granola or an oatmeal, and it just makes for a really easy breakfast if you wake up super hungry one morning. So very excited for that. Strawberry shortcake sounds like a delicious flavor. Next we have from Wild Way the grain-free granola snack pack, and it is in coconut cashew. So that's also really cool. I've been eating more yogurt lately, so these granola packs are always fun to just throw on top of my yogurt. Very excited. This is probably one I'll end up eating. Next we've got a couple of packs of things from the brand Soom. We have dark chocolate tahini with sea salt and chocolate tahini, just chocolate tahini. So these sound really fun. These sound like they'd be good on toast or maybe with banana. It's on fruit in this picture, and it's on ice cream in that picture. So that's pretty cool. These are probably more of something I would try than Austin. I'm very excited about these. I've never had a flavored tahini. I mean, outside of like adding it to salad dressing or something. So that's pretty cool. Next we have a can of something. This is interesting. From 8 Track Foods, we have organic blonde chickpeas. They sent us a whole can of chickpeas. That's so funny. Well, I'll definitely use that. We eat chickpeas all the time, so that's pretty cool. This next item, I can tell you 100% Austin will be the one to drink. It is the Liquid Death Mountain Water. He loves Liquid Death. It is just one of his favorite brands, so he'll be very happy that we have another one of these, because they're kind of expensive, and around here there's nowhere to just go pick them up. We have to go all the way to Whole Foods, which is not that far away, but it's not our typical grocery store, so he'll be very happy to have this. Next we have from Foods Alive some hulled hemp. Not a super exciting item, but an item we will absolutely use. We go through hemp seeds. So this is a nice utilitarian inclusion into the box. So the last item we have here is from African Dream Food, and it is the Habanero Chili Salt. I am so excited for this. I love spicy anything. So this is right up my alley. I can't wait to use this, maybe like season some tofu with it or something. Very, very excited for this product. Oh my god. We never got like a spice grinder in here before. That's so fun. Okay, I'm really jazzed about this. I can't wait to use this. So according to the card, we got 12 items, which was accurate. It looks like this Wild Way granola was a replacement item because on the card it says it was supposed to be fruit leather, but actually I'm kind of glad this replaced the fruit leather because neither one of us is that fond of fruit leather. So pretty cool. Very happy with this box. There's a lot of interesting stuff in here and a lot of things I know we'll use. And let's move on to the beauty subscription. According to the card, we should have 5 items in here, which is nice. That's a little different. Usually there's 4. So let's open this up and take a look at what is in here. So the first item is from Piper Y, which I think we've had something else from. Maybe it was a deodorant or I don't know. But this is the body wash in ginger and chamomile. So that is something I will definitely use. I will always use a body wash. So I'm happy to get a body wash. Let's see. This is an $8 value. A calming body wash made with moringa oil, chamomile, and ginger essential oil that not only cleanses but also hydrates the skin. Lather with your favorite eco-friendly sponge made in sustainable aluminum that creates 45% less emissions than a glass bottle. That's very interesting. It is an aluminum bottle. It feels really cool in the hand. I wonder how aluminum will hold up in the shower. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever had a metal container like that in the shower. Maybe shaving cream back in the day, but I feel like those got rusty. I don't know. Very interesting. I'm happy to have a shower gel. I will always use a shower gel. So that we're doing so far so good. It's going well so far. The next item is from Lunalis. This is a Skin Revival Clay Mask. And I will say the packaging is a little wonky. The box is put together a little haphazardly. But otherwise it is nice, chic, matte black with metallic gold writing. And I think nice looking besides that. And this is pretty nice looking too. Really nice packaging. So let's read about this. Let's see. This is a $50 value. Are you kidding me? What? That's wild. That's cool. I mean, is it worth $50 actually? Who knows? But $50 value, that's maybe the highest we've gotten from Vegancuts in a very long time. So let's read the description. This deep penetrating mask targets dirt, dead skin cells, and excess oil, helping to promote a clearer and brighter complexion. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin in the morning or at night. Leave mask on for 10 minutes to remove. Rinse face with warm water. Gently apply a wet washcloth and wipe clean. So I'm very excited to try that. I'm always happy to try a mask. So 2 for 2 so far. Not bad. Not bad at all. Next we have from Dr. Eve Ruth. This is the Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. So we're going to read the ingredients list, but let's read about the product first. This is a... They must have got word people were not happy with them. This is a $78 value product. Are you kidding me? This is wild. Okay. I'm going to read the description. This deeply hydrating moisturizer aims to brighten uneven skin tone and replump tired, dehydrated looking skin. Apply a pea-sized amount of the cream to a cleansed face, neckline, and neck in the evening. Okay. So the truth is in the ingredients. Let's check out the ingredients. Okay, so not that bad, but there's still stuff in here at the end of the list I'm not wild about. There's parfum, there's linalool, there's citronellol, there's limonene and citral, and then a little higher up there's an item I don't recognize that I would want to Google. Rosa moscata oil. I'm not sure what that is, but the rosa part makes me think maybe it's floral, so I would want to Google that. But those items there at the end I'm not wild about, but I don't know. Let's see if we can actually smell it. Okay, I've got a little bit of it on my hand. I'm gonna rub it in and see if we smell anything. Yeah, it definitely has a scent to it. It's not strong, but there's a scent there. So I'm probably not going to use this. I think I'm going to pass this on to a friend since I pulled the label off of it. I'm not comfortable sticking that in the giveaway box, but yeah, definitely a scent there. That's unfortunate. The $78 value really had me very interested for a second, but I'm probably just going to pass this off to my girlfriend, so meh. Okay, the next item in here is, oh, there's a string falling off of it, from Bars Over Bottles. It's a shampoo bar, a nourishing shampoo bar. I've never heard of this brand. It smells nice. I like this packaging. I like this red shade. This is pretty. It's reddish pinky color. Let's read about this one. So this is a $10 value, a deep cleansing and nourishing shampoo bar, leaving your hair soft, silky, and shiny. Apply the bar on damp hair directly onto the scalp, working the lather in circular motions until the desired amount of foam is achieved. This packaging saves up to 2 plastic bottles, so that's pretty cool. I am a big fan of dry shampoos, or not dry shampoos, bar shampoos, so I'm excited to give this a try. I am pretty excited about that. The last item I will use. I'm not mad about it, but I've already had 2 of these. I think this is my 3rd one. It's the 3 Ships Purifying Aloe and Amino Acid Cleanser. I've had this face wash before from other boxes. I think these boxes need to get together and be like, hey, did you send that already? Because, like, I've had this before. So, it's not the most exciting addition to the box, but I will definitely use it. So, definitely use face wash. I'm always happy to try a new mask. I will absolutely use body wash. And I'm always happy to try a new bar shampoo because I actually really like them. So, I would normally be very disappointed that the most expensive item was kind of the one I don't want to use, but this one was also pretty expensive, so it's not so bad. I'm going to give this an A minus. It's not a bad box to me. It's not terrible at all. Did you really want the description of the 3 Ships Purifying Cleanser? It's a $5 value. I'll give you the description. A gentle, extra hydrating, alcohol-free cleanser that scrubs away buildup and replenishes your skin's natural moisture barrier. Apply 2 or 3 pumps, well, not pumps because it's in a squeeze bottle, to a wet face, massaging in circular motions, rinse off thoroughly and pat dry. Yeah, I'm going to give this an A minus, A, somewhere in that range. Not bad at all. Very interesting that, I wonder if they've gotten in their recent surveys that like the products are just not standing up to other companies' boxes. Maybe that's why they're stepping it up. Who knows? Who knows? But not a terrible Vegancuts box overall. So that is my Vegancuts unboxing for April. It is April, right? Yes. I don't know why I keep questioning whether or not it's April. I've done that a few times this month. I'm just like, really? Oh, yeah, it is. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!